Hello everyone, my name is Satyam and welcome to my channel. Hello guys, I'm back with another video. So in this video I will be telling you how a YouTuber packed their pack while traveling. Now recently I made a video on how a YouTuber packed their pack while riding, but in this video I will be telling you how a YouTuber packed their pack when they are traveling via flight or via train. So let's do it. Now guys, today is 24th April. Tomorrow, that is 25th April, I'm traveling to Varanasi. So total I will be carrying 3 bags. 1, 2, 3. So guys, these are the 3 bags which I'm going to carry. Now this both will be my cabin luggage and this will go in cargo. Now one more thing guys, I know this setup is really very common to Mumbai Mechanical sir, and he recently made a video on that. Now trust me guys, many vloggers out there share many common things and traveling setup is one of those. And basically I'm using this same setup since last 6 months. So yeah. So guys, as you can see, in this bag I will be carrying all of my clothes. In this bag are my toiletries. Over here I have my Ferrari shoes. Over there are my undergarments, and in that zipper bag I have my socks. Alright guys, so this is my second bag. Inside this I have all of my vlogging setup. Inside this I have my Sony Alpha 6000, GoPro Hero 5, my second Gorilla Pod. Basically this is not Gorilla Pod, it is of some other brand. DJI Spark, my lens for my Sony Alpha 6000. This is a 55 to 210mm lens. My SD cam, MIDI 5-in-1 charger, my laptop charger, and all of my accessories for my GoPro. And over here I have my 2 TB hard disk, all the pen drives, and my extra 9V battery. Now guys, if you don't know, then this Rode video mic uses a 9V battery. So yeah, this is all of my vlogging setup. Now guys, if you want to see all of my vlogging setup in detail, then I have already made a video. So there will be a link in the description box below, and also it will be showing right now over here in this I button. So yeah, do check it out. So guys, as you saw, inside this I will be keeping my MacBook, my iPad, my earphones, my dongle and card reader for my MacBook, my sunglasses, all the SD cards, and over here I will be keeping this Canon EOS 760D with its mic and with Gorilla Pod K5 kit. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it about this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you understood our struggle because we cannot afford to forget anything over here, because it is impossible to find all the stuff like charger of my drones and stuff. And also we have to go through all of other stuff like how much my camera is charged, how much my phone is charged and stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright guys, so here I end my video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't already subscribed, then click here to subscribe and click here to see my last video, and I'll catch you up in the next video. Okay, bye.